Welcome to Octane Vein, and welcome to the next chapter in the Octane Vein story. I've moved units and I now have exclusive use of this awesome garage space. Now this is a game changer for me and for the channel because it means I can make some decent progress on the E21. The old unit was a 15-minute drive away from my house, which was a right hassle to get down there. Plus, I used to share it with somebody, so I couldn't just leave a job set up and come straight back to it and pick up where I'd left off. So this means that I can crack straight on with the next job of turning the E21 into a proper race car, which is taking the rear subframe off to make a jig so I can fit the 5 Series E28 subframe, which is the first part of fitting the 6-cylinder engine. So stay tuned because there's going to be a lot more content coming.